What's going on? Welcome back to another edition of Olpa After Hours. I am your host, Kostas Lozanis. Welcome to my bar, welcome to my restaurant. Today we're making an awesome cocktail. This is the Singapore Sling. It has like all the flavors of the islands and tropical and tiki. It's an awesome drink to have when you're going out to the pool or just sitting outside on a beautiful patio. Show off to your friends how to make this. If you're gonna make this from scratch though, you're gonna need a lot of ingredients. For our Singapore Sling, we're gonna use some good London gin. This is a Bombay, 1.5 ounces of Bombay. By the way, these are called Japanese Jiggers. I'm gonna leave a link to these below in the description. Check them out, buy one for yourself. It has tons of different units of measurement. 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces. Anyway, so all the things, check it out, link below. Shout out to Japanese Jiggers. This one's made by Barfly. Now be careful because this is a complex cocktail and you do not want to over pour and mess up the balance of the cocktail. 1/2 ounce of Hearing cherry liqueur, 1/2 ounce of this. And then just a 1/4 ounce or a bar spoonful of Dom Benedictine. This is a really nice herbal liqueur. And then a 1/4 ounce of Cointreau, which is a bitter orange liqueur. 1/3 ounce of grenadine syrup. So I'm gonna do 2 bar spoonfuls. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. 1/2 of a lime. So that is the Singapore Sling. We're gonna top this off with ice and get this thing garnished, all right? If you have some extra pineapple sprigs, I like to add a few pineapple sprigs to this cocktail. A lime wheel, a beautiful maraschino cherry, a Greek siren. And hey, we're in the tropics, so why not a really fun tropical straw? And that, my friends, the Singapore Sling. You're gonna love it, I'm gonna love it, we're gonna love it together. Before you head out, if it's your first time here, and if you liked what you saw, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. At least hit that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know that you watched the video and you enjoyed it. All right, cheers. Such a good cocktail.